Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, I am going to share what I have in my mail. Now here are the PR packages which I have received last year and also this month. Now I was thinking of doing this video last month only, but there were so many videos scheduled that I couldn't figure out when to upload this. Okay, let's start with the one which has recently launched in India, which is e.l.f, and I have already talked about this in previous video, so if you haven't, please go ahead and check it out. I have created this look using e.l.f products. Now I have already shown everything on the video. I have created this look, so if you haven't checked it out, please go ahead because I think you should before buying anything. Next, I have received this Estee Lauder package last month, and in this I have received the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation and this small advanced night repair serum. Now I already have the bigger one, so I haven't opened this yet, and this is how the packaging looks like for the foundation. It's very cute and small. Now I haven't tried this foundation yet, but if you guys want me to do a separate video, let me know, because I have heard great reviews about this because it's a very high coverage foundation. It looks like skin and blah blah, so I will definitely try this out, and if you guys want a review, let me know. Alright, next I have received this package from Nykaa and Charlotte Tilbury. Now thank you Charlotte and thank you Nykaa for sending this across. It's a huge package. I love it. It has all the information about the brand. So this is how the inner PR package looks like. It's a very big package. Now in this I have received 4 products, so let me just quickly show it to you. So the first thing I received is the Magic Cream. I have already tried this for Instagram. If you haven't checked it out, please go ahead because I did a very beautiful look using this. Now, I have already tried this and it's a beautiful cream. It's quite thick, but it's great for, applying this before applying any makeup. So I love this so much. Actually, this is a luxury brand, so it is going to be expensive. Next, I have received their eyeshadow palette. This is the luxury palette called Pillow Talk, and here are the shades. Now, honestly, I didn't expect the shades to be pigmented, but just look at that one swipe and oh my god, it is so soft, so nicely pigmented, and it does show up on the eyelid, which is amazing. So I really like this eyeshadow palette as well. Next, I received the Rock and Coal liquid eyeliner pencil. The shade I received is Barbella Brown. It's a beautiful brown shade and it just glides on so easily. Extremely pigmented. You have no idea how pigmented this is, and it just glides on easily. If you want, you can smudge it as well, and it works beautifully. I love this shade so much. It's a mostly brownish black shade for me. And lastly, I have this Charlotte Tilbury matte lipstick, Revolution matte lipstick. The shade I received is Pillow Talk. It's a beautiful shade. Let me just quickly swatch it right here. It's a beautiful mauve shade, you guys. It looks so good. So I have something from MAC Cosmetics as well. Let me just quickly show you what all I have. So recently they launched this frosted collection, and I do have few products from that. So let me just quickly swatch it. So here are the lip glosses which I received. This is Break the Eyes and this is Set Me Off. So this shade is Break the Eyes. It's a gorgeous shade, as you can see. It has lots and lots of shimmer particles. And next up I have the shade Set Me Off. It's a stunning shade. The sound, oh my god. So here is the shade. It's a beautiful shade as well. Next I have this bullet lipstick. This one is Heart Goes Boom, and this is how the bullet is going to look like. And here is the shade. It's a beautiful pink shade, you guys. And the last one I have is Out with a Bang. It's a gorgeous dark shade, and this is more of a satin finish one. Next, I have received this Extra Dimension Foil Eyeshadow. This is Sparktacular, and this is Firework the Room. Yeah, it's Firework the Room. Let me just quickly swatch it. So here are the 2 shades. Let me swatch it here. Here you can see. And lastly, I have this eyeliner. It's a dual-ended eyeliner pencil. This is a black shade and this one is a brown shade. Here are the two shades. So these are the products I have received from MAC. I have few more, but I will show it to you on another video, so stay tuned for that. Next up, I received this Sky Cosmetic lenses. Now this is a new brand in India and they have sent me 4 of them. So thank you Sky Cosmetic lenses for sending this across. I have already done a reel video of this recently, so go ahead and check it out on Instagram. There's also a coupon code for this Sky Cosmetic lens, which is SOHO. If you apply the coupon code, you will get 100 rupees off and also a free gift from the brand. So go ahead and check it out. I love this. It is amazing. It is very comfortable on the eye and it is very soft and very thin as well, and love the shade range. And my favorite has to be Cat's Eye. Next, I have something from Lakme. This is their iconic range. They have recently launched their eyeliner in this range, and here are the products they have sent me. Mascara, kajal and liner. I have already tried the liner and it is just a bomb. It is very pigmented, waterproof, long lasting, and the kajal is good. I have tried it before, and also the mascara is good for regular use. If you don't want that too much volume and too much length, you can try this one out. So thank you Lakme for sending this across. And let me just quickly swatch the liner for you. So here, let me swatch it and you can see the pigmentation. It is beautiful. Next, I have received something from Real Techniques, and this is something very new to me. I haven't tried Real Techniques before, so I am super excited to try this. This is the 6 Miracle Sponge set. It comes with different shapes of makeup sponges, so I'm super excited to try this one out. Next, I have this Real Technique face brush set. Here are the 4 brushes as you can see, and here is another one which is the face and eye plus cheek brush set. So if you guys want me to do a separate video of this, because they have recently launched in India and you will get authentic brushes from them, so if you guys want me to do a separate video of this, let me know. I can do it on my Instagram. Alright, next up I have something from the Balm Cosmetics, and I am super excited for this. Let me just quickly show you what all I have received. I have already tried their eyeshadow palette and I love it because the pigmentation is just beautiful. So here are the products I have received. So the first thing I have is the Meet Matte liquid lipstick. This one, the shade I have is Charming. Let me just swatch it. So I don't know where to swatch. Okay, so here is the shade Charming. It's a beautiful shade, you guys. So this is the blush they have sent me. So this is the Big Date blush from the Balm Cosmetics. Let me just quickly swatch it. It's a beautiful shade. Wow, it's a matte shade, by the way. There is no shimmer particles, nothing. Next, I have their eyeliner. This is how the packaging is going to look like, and let's swatch it just beside the Lakme one. Look at that. Oh my god, the pigmentation is so good. Very intense black. Let it dry and let's see which one is more black. Next, I have this sparkling liquid eyeshadow. The shade I have is Champagne. Here is the packaging and the shade is somewhat like this. It's a gorgeous shade. It's a eyeshadow, so you can also use it as a highlighter maybe. I will try, of course. I am super excited for this thing, and I think it's a very popular one, which is the Married Luminizer. It's a highlighter and it is very popular. So here is the packaging as you can see. Let's watch this. Here. Oh my god, it's very soft and creamy. Let me just quickly try it. This is very soft and creamy, so wow. It's a beautiful shade, you guys. Next, I have this Meet Matte Smacker eyeshadow palette, and here are the shades. Very pretty. I have already swatched this too because I wanted to see the pigmentation. Let me just show you. My god. So let's swatch it here and here. Oh, so pigmented. Next, I have something from Forever 52. So they have recently launched their nail tips. Here are the nail tips. I have received this one. The shade is number 29, and I think they come with their own glue. So thank you Forever 52 for sending this. Next, I have their Daily Forever Body Glow, 2 shades. This is Mocha and this is Rose Gold. This is Rose Gold, by the way. The packaging is huge. This is Rose Gold and this shade is Mocha, as you can see. Lastly, I have this Natural Glow eyeshadow palette from Forever 52. I love their eyeshadows. I think they are very good, very pigmented. Let's try this one, orange one, and this one too. So here are the shades, as you can see. Let me swatch it here. Here are the 3 shades. So I have something from Cal, and this is a new launch, by the way, in collaboration with another influencer, and her name is Gurish. And let me just quickly show you what is inside. So here are the 2 lipsticks they have recently launched, and it's in collaboration with Gurish, and I think she looks absolutely beautiful in this packaging. So let me just quickly swatch these 2 shades. This is how the packaging is going to look like. It's just beautiful. Actually, she always says Hola Beauties, so the shade they have came up with is Hola and Beauties. So let me just quickly swatch Hola first. So I am going to swatch it right here. This is Hola. It's a beautiful shade, my goodness. And then I'm going to swatch Beauties, which is 102. And I am going to swatch it here. And here is the shade. It's a beautiful shade. Oh my god, I can't wait to try this. Thank you Gurish for sending this across. And I love the shades. So a big congratulations to you. Alright, next I have something from K Beauty, of course, and this is their matte blush. I have received 4 shades, but they have launched 8 shades. This is the outer packaging. Outer packaging is also color coordinated, as well as the inner packaging, as you can see. So let me just quickly swatch one by one. This is matte blush in the shade Deep Plum. It's a beautiful shade. I'm going to swatch it here, okay? It's a deep plum shade. Next, I am going to swatch Sugar Candy. It's a coralish kind of a color right here. Next is Mild Berry, one of my favorite. Swatching it here. And lastly, I have this Coral Charm. It's a beautiful shade as well. And I'm going to swatch it right here. Alright, these are the products I have received in my mail. And yeah, let me know if you guys want a separate video of any of this in the comment section below. So I am also going to mention the product details down in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. And thank you guys for watching this video. Hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye.